This video reviews the process of how to assign an unassigned deferred activity to a work order. Only supervisors, leads, controllers, and senior controllers can assign an activity. Once logged into N4EAMS, go to the Deferred Maintenance screen. Change the screen to the list view by selecting Expand Right. Select the Unassigned Deferred Maintenance Data Spy to see all unassigned deferred activities. To quickly identify the unassigned deferred activity, the user can search by equipment or the original work order number. Once the activity has been identified, double-click the line to open up the Record View tab. The activity can be assigned with these 3 easy steps. Change the status from unassigned to assigned. In the work order field, enter the work order number in which the activity should be assigned to. By selecting the spyglass, the user can search for available work orders to add the deferred activity. Only work orders that are for the equipment associated to the deferred activity will be displayed. Save the record. To verify the activity has now been added to the selected work order, double-click on the work order field. This will open the work order screen for that specific work order. Click on the Activities tab. The deferred activity will now be added to the bottom of the grid. The work order can now be processed as normal. This concludes the review. Thank you for watching.